morning, my name is Sandy Barton, and it's my absolute pleasure to be the in-flight manager on this flight to Frankfurt and to welcome you aboard today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. If seated in our Club World cabin, please take care of your personal electronic device when adjusting your seat. If your device does get lost, please do not move the seat and let one of us know so we can assist you. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Please note video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We're about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the cabin crew. Those seated in Club Europe will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we'll be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by a speedboat cafe service. Pre-purchase items will be served first, followed by any onboard purchases. The crew will shortly be passing through the cabin with a selection of drinks and snacks available for purchase, and please have your preferred method of payment ready in advance, and please note we do not accept cash as payment. For the safety of all our customers, please ensure you wear your face mask at all times unless you're consuming food and drink. The same also applies if you're resting or sleeping. Please ensure you have your mask on. We now invite you to make yourself at home and enjoy our British Airways hospitality. If there's anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you.